disposable toilet brush. So we have 2 wands, 2 caddies, and 72 refills. So these are the refills. This is a sponge that has a cleaning solution for toilet. This is the wand. We have caddies. So let's see, what are we looking at? Storage for these refills. This is where your wand goes. This is a little handle that you would attach right over here. To attach, just basically clip it on this side where you have this piece. And let me get this pushed in. So this is your wand, and when you're done using it, and that's what it's going to be like after you're done using. And you can set this right next to your toilet, and it looks clean and aesthetic. When you need to clean, you open. Obviously, you would have these out of the packet. When you're putting these refills in this caddy storage thing, you want to make sure the plastic piece stays up, because that's how you would be attaching it to the wand. With your wand, you would go fishing, basically. Right here, we have this little piece that pushes out on this end. This piece comes out that you would hook the refill with, and voila, you have your refill sponge thing with the solution on, and you just go cleaning. And it's kind of cool that it, as you turn, it will twist a little, so you can get into all those corners. We do have these little wall sticker clips you can use if you want to stick this whole caddy onto the wall. And then you would slide on this caddy onto this little hook looking thing, but it's specifically designed for this. And so that you can just set it on the floor, or you can have it hanging depending on your situation, your setup. So very convenient. We got our wand. And it's easy to get into those corners underneath, and it's easy to get on underneath. So I can be working on this side and that side. I don't know if I'm showing it clearly. It's very easy to dispose the refill, but before I do that, I wanted to mention that I really love how the sponge itself stayed on that plastic really well, even though I was very rough with some other brands. I'm kind of careful not to rip that sponge off of that plastic piece. With this one, it stayed no matter how rough I was with it, so that's a plus. Also, the handle, it's good, sturdy plastic that when I really press on it, I'm not worried of it bending. And it has a nice handle where it's comfortable for your hand. And let me show you how to dispose this. Remember this one and only button lever sort of slide piece? You want to slide it when you're ready to dispose the sponge. Make sure you don't do it while you're cleaning, because you don't want that going into your toilet. But rather come to your trash can. Done. Easy as that. And we set it right in here. I think that's very aesthetic looking, very minimalistic, and yet it's right there available when you need. I'm gonna push it behind the toilet a little more so it's not visible, but I just wanted to show you. Very cute, useful, and effective. Love it.